Hi.
Hello, friend.
Yes.
Hello kids, welcome to Learning Kids channel. Today let's draw a cute Nina. Hey kids, do you know who is Nina? Nina is the best friend of Pocoyó. Let's see some interesting thing about Nina. Nina is Pocoyó's smart friend. She loves nature more than anything. She wears a green dress and speaks her own funny Nina language. She is brave, curious, and always ready for a new adventures. Let's see some short story with Nina, Pocoyó, and their friends. Are you kids ready? Let's get started. One sunny day, Pocoyó and Nina found a tiny glowing seed. Nina said, "Ninavi, Ninavi," and asked Robotino to scan it. Robotino beeped and told them it was a magic seed. Pocoyó got excited and planted in the soil. Ellie watered it gently, Pato cleaned the area, and Laula wagged her tail happily. Suddenly, pop! A small plant grew with a bright shining flower. Everyone cheered. Pocoyó said, "Let's take care of it every day." Nina smiled and said, "Ninavi," meaning it's yes. Hey kids, how was the story? Do you like it? If you like my drawing and story, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more funny drawings and stories.
Hi.
Hello, friend.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.